a more calm and composed and respectful. Okay? What I was saying is that because I've heard several comments or several things where them say make RQ upset. The first thing them say is the bill. My take on that was, how are you gonna be upset about? Because there was about 3 things where them say make him upset. So me I gotta tell you what them say make him upset and what I think about it. All right. First thing them say is the bill. The bill was too high and you're greedy, etc. Blah 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 blah. But what I'm saying is that if I'm going to invite somebody to dinner, remember, you know, I'm inviting a food lover to buy food. You understand me? And if you invite somebody that loves food to buy food, you're going to expect that they're going to eat a lot of food. Rosealee is over 350, 300 blood clot pound. So you could invite Rosealee somewhere and expect, say, she go want one meal. All right, that is said. All right? That is said. For example, I say you can't look on it 2 ways. If you invite Roger to go buy food, your bill might be small because Roger no love food. But if you bring Roger to go buy clothes, your bill like a high because Roger love clothes. You understand what I'm saying? That's what I say. Them say, okay then, the bill is not the issue. Them say, it's the behavior. What I'm saying is that you know who Rosealee is from the get-go. You know Rosealee is boisterous. You know Rosealee is vulgar. You're not inviting out a saint. You understand me? You see what I say? Okay then. You never know. You know Rosealee is not a saint. You know Rosealee is loud. I was just at a dinner with Rosealee. And when the man tell her, said the tropical rhythm at 900, she said, what? She said, where the food? How my daughter not get her food yet? That's her behavior. You know that. You just see me and her upon a dinner. So if you invite Rosealee out, you're supposed to know, say, her behavior, if she choose to alter her behavior to make you comfortable, that's fine. But if she choose not to alter her behavior and be herself, you can't kill her for that, because at the end of the day, you chose to bring her out. You invite the devil in your house, and when you get devil worship in your ball, you understand what me I try to say? You invite yourself for going to the kitchen, and when I'll spill upon you, you go ball. Rosealee, everybody know you're loud. Everybody know how you stay and know what you are. You understand what I'm saying? But what I'm saying is that you invited her out, so you have to know, so you have to understand her behavior. You have to go be comfortable with it. Because not everybody are going to alter their behavior. She might not be somebody else where behave a certain way on the internet, and when them go, them choose to alter. She might just be the person who want to be ourselves. And none of y'all can beat me on my opinion. You see what I try to say? The only person...
Well, me not cut you. So when I go to that place there, it make me feel like home. So I have to behave one type of way when I know say, you know, because as you saw, me and the Omar cool like that.
Yeah.
When I say Omar 300 times, Omar will come 300 times. But continue.
All right then. So that was the case, right? So the behavior part of it, you know who Rosealee is. So
but right, we never behave better.
When I think nobody will be astonished by your behavior because they know who you are. You understand what I'm saying? What I said is that the only person in terms of this situation is a victim is Onella. Because not talking about, the part where you talk about with the camera, I'm going to touch that, but let me talk that part here first. I get to understand Onella paid for her own food. And she she was invited by you. So me invite her, and she also paid for her own food. So I could have beat her. The case with you and her on the camera, what I think is that I think you don't understand Onella that much. And let me tell you why. Regardless, this is not me picking up for nobody. Onella really likes you as a person.
Yeah, but why you do that?
Because let me tell you, she probably, because was it a situation where you're apologizing or something like that?
No.
What was it about? Because when
I was Right, you. I take out the car and me attack to
Big up
Omar.
ATM Port
I must say me never tip him.
The seat.
Me attack to Omar. Me attack to Omar about something. Them did that talk about something and she flip the camera. But me never like that. Because I'm saying is, don't let nobody on the internet tell you to flip the camera on me. Because you know the internet and all the people them steer. Because I stated that when Diamond they tell us you never look good at the party, me they feel some type of way too. Because me that say, Diamond could have called you over the phone and tell her that. You understand? And that misled, making our friendship mash up. So when you don't like for yourself, you don't do it to a person. And you know all them steer when you flip the camera.
Okay, all right then. The camera flipping wasn't about you speaking anything that's personal where you never want nobody hear. It was about just...
I wasn't speaking it.
Okay, it was just about she flipping the camera. People just...
Yeah, don't flip the camera on me.
Them want judge you discriminate like...
Exactly, don't flip the camera on me.
I understand.
Let me lose half of you.
No, I understand.
I don't care if they want to say what I want to say.
I understand that.
Don't flip the camera upon me because you know them like to drag in a comment section. Not more than somebody say, Mr. Rosealee, you flip it.
Okay.
I can't do that.
No, I understand.
When you go over the screen, because they hear them a class me down there. If I read the two of them, if I read the part two comment, me can't ever read no more. But just leave it. Come and say, what
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about Onella.
We can't get two or not.
I think Onella flipping the camera, she maliciously did that. Meaning, like, do it for try for. You know nobody's style or one of that. I don't think she do it for that. You understand what I try to say? Because Onella is not that type of person. Honestly. And me know she honestly check for you. And me and her have issues. And me and her have issues. And me see. She come at me yard, she sit down with me and I say, Roger, you know, say you and Rose not fair, etc., etc. And she don't really do that. Because she knows that me don't really take talk. You get the drift from me, I try to say I should come. So, I don't think it's that serious where it for mash up you and our friendship.
I never like that. I never like that, none at all.
Yeah,
and when you have a friend, listen, Roger, when you have a friend, you have to give unto your friend's feelings. If your friend say, oh, I don't like that, you can say, okay, like when you don't like that, I won't do that. And I would have never turned on a camera on Onella and show Onella's outfit. I would have never done that because she wouldn't like that.
Understood.
Because you're supposed to can, if me I go out, you're supposed to can put on whatever you have where you feel comfortable in.
And I don't think it's
my friend.
I don't think it's that bad where Una can't speak about it. Because me and listen, you are where you say you really check for Onella, you bring her up and you
like her, of course, I can't come yard. Me never like that. I think negative boy, yo.
Me not think it's a case.
Like think negative. I think like say you're gonna do me somewhere not supposed to be done. You know if you do that. Because we have go back on last year. Last year we don't come back to the party. If I tell you what she know, I don't know, you know. If I tell you Onella, I don't know. I only say hi. If I say hi to her, she say hi, that's it. You want somebody so she don't drink, look at you drink cranberry juice. I'm gonna say sit there. I find the whole night I don't know Onella in her. I now look for Onella. I now look for nobody more than in the crowd of people. And we are say Rosealee.
To me, it's a case where to honor a friend and your friend do something where you not really like, you know. I don't think it's that heavy and that serious where una go at it. I go back and forth because that's what most of the people on the internet want. You understand what I'm saying? So
I was never planning to. I was never going at her. I never was planning to. I just said that I'm disappointed in her behavior and me keep it moving. Me never come over here like him or come say something. I'm gonna make sure me take dog book and sit there say all of what she say and you say still not know. Me not go do that.
Me not go what to listen. You not tell me what to say. You not tell me nothing. If you don't want to write an opinion in the chat, write it. Do not tell me what to say.
Yeah, that's how I feel. It's not serious, but it's just giving sneaky. And I don't like that. Be a friend, you can't have about that means we supposed to can't tell you anything at all in the world and I will come ball you on social media.
Enough love my family. Everybody big up on the spot. But me think it's a case.
Something personally, I ain't not come ball you on social media.
All the time, Mr. Chris.
You must can't tell us something personal about me and you don't come ball out on social media.
Roger, you are being biased. It was malicious.
You chat my own business.
What was malicious? I don't think Onella spinning the camera on Rosealee was malicious. Because I don't know Onella as that person. I don't know Onella as the person that goes around to hurt people's feelings.
I don't know.
I know Onella as a caring person. I don't know Onella as that type of person. So don't come and imply what you want to. You understand me?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about. We will get back down to that. I don't want to talk about Onella right now. Roger, my Onella stay to herself. I don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about IQ and the behavior and the blood clot. Onella is not the real issue here. We don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about IQ and the bill. We don't want to talk about Onella.
I'm going to give my take on it. Me honest as I gave my take on that.
What do you mean by the behavior?
Yeah, that me no understand that either.
So you never hear my cuss bad word? You never hear him that you never hear film behavior?
Yeah, I said that earlier on my chat, innit?
No, I never listen to you, Roger, because I just...
No, I said that earlier upon my chat, because I did discuss the situation. I'm say, me hear my speak explicit, me hear my cuss. You understand what I try say, my talk and I use bad words like that. So, me just talk about it. You understand what I try say? I make you hear my take for what, because I know everybody agree with me. But me know when me are saying wrong. Because if me are going to invite somebody out, you're not 200 pounds, you're probably all more. When me think you're going to want a little bit of food.
But I never ate the fish.
What I said is that if I have a budget.
Yes, you did, but that's what me not talk about her. I don't know she me want to talk about. I know she me want to talk, but me don't want to talk about Onella. Me don't want them class together in the comment section because I know them stay. Me don't want to talk about shit. Alright,
I was listening to the screen recording when the man said, buy anything you want, take anything you want. I heard that. Me hear the man say that, so no stop chat shit. Me and Rose go down Manuel Road, I will broke Rockstone. She bring me down, I bring her down. Me now come here, say look no friend, me now do nothing, me a split justice. And that me a talk about. Because if Rose like it her blood clot not, if women never find what she do comfortable or things so what she do wrong, and that me a come blood clot. So no come programming. You think a friend me alone? Yeah, you think my friend?
But alright, I stop thank you for lack of commentation because them now stop chatting.
Whatever you want. I want to no split justice. And this me a talk about. That's why I don't really chat because let me tell you no, nobody can program me. You see, I see it as some me I go say it. And I don't care who I feel, however, regardless. If I bring you out and I have a budget of 100 US, I going to say, Rosealee, my budget is 100 US, you know. Stay within this budget of 15 grand. So if I tell you that you go above that budget or go out of that budget now, that is a total different kettle of fish. Per se, you never said that then. And you see me order how much things. Stop me in my truck and say, wait there. Remember fish we agree upon, you know?
No, Roger, no, you're getting the concept wrong. Remember that before the food cook, it is done to order.
So you already know the price.
Listen, when I ordered, remember before you came, we told you the bill before you came, the second to last time we went. So this trip now, when the man put the 2 fish on the scale and tell Raiku 13,300, he said it's fine. When I ordered the lobster and the crab, and him said $5,000 for the crab.
Everybody using triple, Mr. Chris.
$6,000 for the 2 lobster because them small. He said it was fine. When me ordered the lobster and the crab, I was ordering it to pay for it. But like I'm telling me, I asked him, can you do it? Because if I can't, I will come to walk with my money. He said it was fine. So I don't know, all comes in company internet, I tell people them say, the bill was too high, and the place wrong down, and the place this and the place that. Like, where you the right you said it was fine when I was ordering it.
TikTok patrol, big up. Everybody push up the score. All right.
They said it was fine.
Yeah, me hear him say that on the internet. Say, other way you are. So me can't speak about that 3 meal. But when we did the 3 meal and not the people, it's like just sampling a 2 lobster tail and 1 look a plate of crab and 1 fish.
Exactly.
You don't really understand Elsha, understand how Elsha thing goes. So no stop talk. That's not the case then. All right, we'll pass that.
Food?
Then we'll pass that. Them say it's the disrespect then. What was the disrespect? She being loud? The behavior. Is she being loud? What was it? Because she being loud is the fucking norm, you know.
What kind of behavior?
Everybody knows she loud and she vulgar. That is the norm.
Roger, you never see the first part. Hold on, you never see the first part of the screener card with him all over me. Like him literally I look somebody. You never see that part of me I feeding the shrimps?
No, me never really see anything.
Even when I was being loud when we were sitting inside, you never see when I feed him the lobster. You see, yeah? Yeah, teach
But the thing is that people, me did it over Elsha, over Odella birthday, what they are Rosealee did it. Rosealee say, what? When the man tell her, say, 900 for the show, where the food and so. But why me I go feel a way about that knowing that's her character? You get the drift from me, I try to say, that's what me I said to Uno. It even depends on screen record, why me I go feel a way? That's what I'm saying. You know her character. You know the type of person you invited out. And that me I say no. Yes, what me I try to say. That's the all me I try to say no. So when the behavior talk and the behavior situation, I don't really understand that 100. Me know no founder expect me for coming and bring her and bash her because me and her have the hot water. What there? That is not what I'm about. That I know what me there about. Yes, so me I try say.
What wrong with my behavior?
I know that me there about. Me just talk the truth. Me not look no friend. Me not look no hype. Me not look no. Only person me see as a victim in the situation is Onella. Because Rose invite Onella, Roy never want her there. That's how me get for understand. So Roy attitude it kinda, you understand, edgy.
It was always off.
You understand what me I try say? But that is on Rose for inviting Onella.
But listen, Roger, you're not listening, Roger. He never told me that he didn't want her there. He didn't tell me that. When I say I'm invited, Onella him tell me yes. So that means say why you never want Onella there? And first of all, if you never want Onella there from the first place, we made it on the phone, whatever.
At the end of the day, them say Onella was disrespectful to him, but when me I get for understand, she was called a stupid and an idiot. And what she said was, she said her exact words was, suppose me for follow the chat and call you a batty man. Why you not? You know, depend the hypocrite business you're saying, not talk. And that me depend.
That really lick right you, you know, but him know him say it. Him know him say it. Alright, if she was sitting behind them, the throw was still up on the bed. Him know him say it. I heard when he said, listen, me hear when him says something, but I never hear exactly what him say. So when I go to say him, where say about Onella? She hear him because them still on, him actually in her neck back. I just saw what she said. Me not blame her for say what she said. Me not blame her. Me not blame her. But you know, I got this, me I expect me not got this about.
Then again, the people let me in the comment section take this more serious than Raiku, Rose and blood clot Onella. That's what me get for understand about this situation. But me just try show you how the dirty people them stare. At them a festa this, you know.
You know them tell Raiku for feel bad because them never
feel bad. Them a festa this and them tell him same feel bad. Cause I look like same not even understand if he feel bad. One skits, big up.
Don't worry about it, Musa, for me, please.
Them a festa it. And next Raiku, you are the blood clot. Next one to your too enough. You're too enough because I could want blood clot bring out Rose to go eat food and take my bill and go low. When the blood clot there, you know, go like me, I bring out as slimmers.
But no crab, not no lobster back. No lobster back, you know. Me and you know nothing in that lobster back. And the crab so
The
hard.
bill never end. The bill not bad. The bill wasn't bad.
26,000.
Let me tell you, the bill wasn't bad. Because me think what they are on a thing, I just lobster alone, I pay for and 2 fish, and I think my bill was that. There about them money there. And I just the lobster I pay for Uno and the fish with me and my friend. And those
and I pay
and them money them I pay. So
I
not
paid
bad. You understand what I say?
I remember say you buy the lobster for me and I have to buy the crab for my daughter and the fish. So I pay around 13,000 or 12,000 something. And then on all of that I get fair bill. So roughly around, it'll be roughly around about 40,000. The bill not so bad. You know right, but that means a right you can't go make her go buy one back like anything. You can't go away. No, don't laugh. Because I back like anything I make her for 30,000.
If you tell me take anything, I want to eat anything, I want me not helping, it means you got this.
Exactly.
It means you got this. I mean, I know una big up. You know, I don't understand. Me I go na example. Me dey right here as me see him. Because remember, we're not afraid for talk. When we go suburbs, I link up Chris. I was there. I would drink at the bar. And we're done. And you know, so when we're done drink, in my head, me I think about the bill, you know, and thing, you know. But you know, when we're done drink, the dog just get up and just pay the bill. Pay the whole of the bill. And say you don't drink. So it's simple.
Yeah.
He must say to me, say, all right, yeah, drink anything else. If you're not finished, drink something more. You understand? It was not fight. It was not cuss. It was nothing. It was nothing about greed. It was nothing like that. You understand what I try to say? Likewise, me could have get up and me could have just pay the bill too. You understand me? Because me I do the same. You understand what I try to say? So all want to make people make it look like is like sometimes it's just the mood and the vibes. Me we did it with you that time and you just cover the bill. You did it with me that time and we just cover the bill. So me don't know if I wanna flex cheap. I don't know if I wanna flex cheap. Me not really know that flex there. My flex different. My flex different. Uno flex too cheap. Me not know about the flex. Uno flex, I'm not rich. But uno flex.
You just cover the bill.
Yeah.
Because if I could pay for me, just pay for that because me have money. Come and can, but
I can't talk about nothing about the bill. Because if I Rose behavior, everybody know Rose vulgar. Right know when
I'm not behavior nothing. I'm Raja, I don't know behavior nothing. Right, you didn't give me what listen, Raja, when I try to explain to you, say, right, you never make me feel some type of way, like say, I'm a behavior. He never give me the attitude there. He never wish when I made us a Rose behave better. He was actually enjoying my behavior. But fee see the bill. Because when he get up to pay a bill, he have to go in the bathroom.
I don't want to think, say me, you know why me I say me, you can't say me, from this morning, me I tell you, say, I really not understand the situation. It confuse me. Because I don't know what caused the argument. I don't know why they eat it. I don't see why I feel away. I don't see why I feel embarrassed.
It's money gone with them. My best to them there. My best to them.
I did I watch the first set of screen record. Me did I soon have a jolly time.
We were having a jolly time. We was.
All when you did that be loud. You did them only that have a jolly time. So I don't understand.
We never have no problem.
I don't understand. I want to write you.
We were having a jolly time.
I'm going to come give me film part why him feel away.
We were having a jolly lolly blood.
I want to understand why him feel away. Because what you know say never show no. You see that space there. Why me I go tell you say it can't be behavior? Let me show you. You see that space there where them go? Everybody there's a love her. Meaning, what they are me over there? And it's when she be loud and all this, I see the people them draw. Everybody draw seat and pay laughing. Back away, front away, side away. Everybody does a laugh. So, me not think a space like that is used to Rose's behavior. So it's not a space where when she's behaving in a manner, people are gonna spin and I look on her weird. It's not
To
a
make you
space
feel,
like
to
that.
make
To
all
make
you come with me
feel
feel
some
a
type
way.
of way. You understand what I'm saying?
Exactly.
It's not a space like that. It's more of a calm space where accept any type of behavior. It's that type of space. So me that one get for understand.
Me glad, you know, I'm glad say you did go, so you know what you talk about. And I ask nobody, I tell
When
you, I
me did
tell
there
you.
and share me the whole heap of nights and all the people them draw seat, everybody
Them
a
love
laugh.
me there.
Everybody a laugh.
Me not go nowhere
Front,
else.
back, side. So me that real skates. Big up, me that want understand. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. So me not
When me got
I don't think it's behavior in terms of that case. I don't think TK, Nicole, big up Mr. Chris. Everybody know love alone. Skates.
Right through them I broke foreigner.
I'm not bash him because I'm not there about
Me not
that.
bash my truth.
I'm not gonna say whatever because but what I think you should never ever tell somebody take whatever them want when you know say
Bro.
it's gonna be an issue. You can't do that.
I'm broke. I'm money, I problem. I'm broke, Raja. I'm broke. I'm broke foreigner. And all of them have it, you know, some of them company have payment plan when them play for 6 months.
No, but me have to love them one day because I know people when they travel on body pass and still bring me one look at underpants. So me can't really need them. You understand? Because enough broke people come from foreign, them not really have it, but when them a come, them save one look at $20 and buy me one look at shorts. So me can't really need them. Me have to love them.
You not beat nobody in a Raja. Me not beat nobody in a Raja, but him broke.
CK, thank you. Him broke?
And I beat me not being broke.
Me not feel so. Him probably just tight.
Me feel say I broke him broke.
No feel so.
I remember the Airbnb cost a lot on the car rental, you know.
No feel him just tight. Stop it. Stop make the nature of the situation make you bitter, girl. Stop it, you know enough.
You not be bitter, Raja.
Don't make the nature of the situation make
Raja,
you
remember
upset.
saying Raja.
You know him not broke.
Raja, remember saying no. We exposed to foreigner. You have your mother in England, my auntie live in England for years.
Yeah, but me have said, you know him not broke.
Listen, Raja. You have to listen. When my auntie them come here for England, London rather, I will go out. She said, take whatever I want.
And you take whatever you
Take
want.
Take whatever you want. She said, when me there I eat, come in, I got health already. But we're not going right there, so we got back road. She said, take what you want. She said, take what you want. And even when me take, I'm dead. I'm dead. She said, is it finished?
Yeah, right. Start the live. I'm going to add you.
Take what you want. Eat what me want, buffet. Eat all you want.
I understand why you make that embarrassed.
I get it. So me not understand.
I want to know why you're embarrassed, right? What corridor go under your fingernail? Our fishbone did a juke in your finger head.
And the people in my tell her if Ride be embarrassed, because Ride didn't have the blood clot carrot laugh and say him I get the internet something to talk about. But I him tell me a honela, so I don't know why I come here so. Why I come up for this blood clot about justice Ride. Move. Him tell the people him say him tell me a honela say him I get the internet something to talk about. So I don't know how him come and say play victim. Like him don't know why I take blood clot place.
Say him I get the internet something to talk about.
Something to talk about.
What do you mean by that?
Ask him when him go live.
No, right.
Remember me now.
Rose when the match end, not send back no more. Me I add him. I want to know what happened.